Hi, everyone. Welcome to Leene King's podcast. We are currently in the Christian season of Lent, which is the season of prayer, fasting, and spiritual discipline before Easter. I gave up bread. Did you give up something or made any personal sacrifices this season? Although it does not compare to God's ultimate sacrifice for us, but during this we remind ourselves of what Christ has done for us. This hymn I will sing in both English and Tongan. Just as I am, go out be angahala. Stay blessed, everyone. Just as I am without one plea, but that thy blood was shed for me, and that thou bidst me come to thee, O Lamb of God, I come, just as I am thy love unknown hath broken every barrier down, now to be thine, yea, thine alone, O Lamb of God, I come, go na italape keu aluatu kaeha o iho ta'ata ai mate
Thank you, Leene King, for that beautiful rendition. Hi there, Leene King fans. My name is Fanaika Fa'agau, and I'm a consultant for business development, Pacific Islander issues, and entertainment. If you're thinking of opening your own business or needing help with legal research or wanting guidance as an aspiring singer, artist, or athlete, then give me a call. My phone number is 775-237-8667. Again, that's 775-237-8667. My company is Fanaika Fa'agau Consulting, LLC.
The podcast you just heard was made using Anchor. Ever thought about making your own podcast? Anchor makes it really easy for anyone to get started. It's a one-stop shop for recording, hosting, and distributing podcasts. Best of all, it's 100% free. Sign up now at anchor.fm/new. That's anchor.fm/new to get started.